When it comes to upgrading your home, few improvements make as big of an impact as new windows. From enhancing energy efficiency to elevating curb appeal, the right windows can transform the look, feel, and value of your property. For Baltimore, Maryland homeowners, one name consistently stands out as the go-to partner for flawless results: Flores Construction. Their reputation for precision window installation is built on years of expertise, craftsmanship, and a customer-first approach that leaves every client confident in their choice. Local expertise that makes a difference. Flores Construction isn't just another contractor, they're a team deeply rooted in the Baltimore community. They understand the unique challenges homeowners face here, from humid summers to chilly winters. This local knowledge means they recommend and install windows that are not only stylish but also resilient against Maryland's diverse climate conditions. Homeowners can rest assured that their new windows are built to last and tailored to perform in the local environment. Precision as the standard. Installing windows isn't just about swapping out old frames for new ones. True precision installation ensures airtight seals, perfect alignment, and lasting durability. Flores Construction prides itself on meticulous attention to detail. Their experienced installers use advanced tools and proven methods to guarantee that every window sits securely, operates smoothly, and insulates effectively. This precision not only prevents drafts and leaks but also helps reduce energy costs, something every Baltimore homeowner appreciates. Quality materials and trusted brands. A window installation is only as good as the materials behind it. Flores Construction partners with trusted manufacturers to provide windows made from high-quality, long-lasting materials. Whether homeowners prefer vinyl, wood, or modern composite options, Flores Construction ensures every product meets rigorous standards. By combining superior products with expert installation, they deliver windows that provide exceptional performance and timeless style. Transparent process and honest communication. One of the biggest reasons homeowners trust Flores Construction is their commitment to clear and honest communication. From the first consultation to the final walkthrough, the team ensures that clients know exactly what to expect. They provide upfront estimates, explain product options in plain language, and keep homeowners informed every step of the way. This transparency eliminates surprises and builds confidence, a quality that customers consistently highlight in their reviews. Personalized solutions for every home. Every home has its own character, and Flores Construction believes window installations should reflect that. Instead of offering one-size-fits-all solutions, their team works closely with clients to identify the best window styles, sizes, and features to suit both the property and the homeowner's preferences. Whether it's classic double-hung windows for a historic row house in Federal Hill or large picture windows for a modern home in Canton, Flores Construction delivers custom solutions that enhance beauty and functionality. A track record of satisfied homeowners. Word of mouth is powerful in Baltimore, and Flores Construction has built a strong reputation through satisfied customers. Homeowners regularly praise the company's professionalism, punctuality, and ability to finish projects on time and within budget. Many clients also highlight the noticeable difference their new windows make in both comfort and appearance, confirming that Flores Construction's promise of precision is more than just a slogan. Commitment to long-term value. Flores Construction doesn't just focus on the installation day, they aim to provide long-term value for every customer. Their windows are backed by warranties, and their team is always available for follow-up questions or support. This dedication to service after the sale sets them apart from many contractors and gives homeowners peace of mind that their investment is protected. The Flores Construction difference. For Baltimore homeowners, choosing the right window installation company can feel overwhelming. But Flores Construction makes the decision simple. Their combination of precision craftsmanship, premium products, and genuine customer care creates an experience that homeowners trust, and results that stand the test of time. When you're ready to elevate your home with expertly installed windows, Flores Construction is the name to call. Their proven process, attention to detail, and dedication to customer satisfaction make them Baltimore's trusted choice for precision window installation.